Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the sixth question in exercise 9.2. A discrete random variable x has the following distribution. So x is distributed from values 0 to 5 and their corresponding probabilities are given. Find the value of c, find the mean of the distribution, and in the third subdivision, if sum of pi xi squared is equal to 14, find the variance. So let's take up the first subdivision. We are supposed to find the mean or the value of c. So know that sum of pi is equal to 1. So let's add all this. So 4c squared plus 3c squared is 7c squared plus 2 is 9c squared plus 1 is 10c squared. So 10c squared plus 3c is equal to 1, which means 10c squared plus 3c minus 1 is equal to 0. So we will split this. So this is 10c squared plus 5c minus 2c minus 1 is equal to 0. Take 5c common, so this is 2c plus 1 minus 1 into 2c plus 1 is equal to 0. So 5c minus 1 into 2c plus 1 is equal to 0. So c is equal to minus 1 by 2 or 1 by 5. See, c cannot be negative because we are looking at probability distribution. So c is equal to 1 by 5. Now let's find out what is the mean of this distribution. So mean mu is going to be equal to sum of xi pi. So let's compute. So mu is equal to 0 into what is pi? This is going to be 4 into 1 by 5 the whole squared plus 1 into 3 into 1 by 5 the whole. Next one, it is 2 into 1 by 5 the whole squared plus 3 into 1 by 5 the whole squared plus 4 into 1 by 5 plus 5 into 2 into 1 by 5. So let's simplify. So in this case 0 into 4, this whole expression is going to be equal to 0 plus this is 1 by 5 the whole square into 3. So this is 3 divided by 25 plus this is 2 2s are 4. So this is going to be 4 by 25 plus 1 by 5 the whole square into 3. So 3 divided by 25 plus 4 by 5 plus 10 by 5. Now you take LCM. So the LCM is going to be equal to 25. So 3 plus 4 plus 3 here into 5. So there's going to be a into 5. So this is 20. Similarly, there is going to be into 5. So there is an into 5. So this is going to be equal to 50. So if you simplify, 50 plus 20 is 70, 73, 77 and 80. 80 divided by 25, simplest form 16 divided by 5. So the mean of the distribution is going to be 16 divided by 5. Now let's take the third subdivision. They're asking us what is the value of variance. So variance is going to be equal to sigma of pi xi squared minus mu squared. They already gave us what is this value. So this is 14 minus 16 by 5 the whole squared. So this is 14 minus 256 divided by 25. So you take LCM, 14 into 25. So this value is going to be equal to 350 minus 256 divided by 25. So on simplification, it's 94 by 25. So the variance value is going to be equal to 94 by 25. In the next video, we will find the solution for the seventh question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.